Okay guys, let's continue with a new tutorial. Today also you learn how to connect multiple sales channels to a single inventory sheet with n8n. So in this tutorial you'll learn how to synchronize the inventory between the Shopify and the WooCommerce into a single centralized Google Sheets sheet. Every time a product is sold on any platform, the workflow will pull the latest inventory data from Shopify and WooCommerce, will merge all results into a standardized format, will update the master Google Sheet, will optionally alert for discrepancies or low stock. This is perfect for multi-channel e-commerce businesses wanting to manage inventory without paying for expensive middleware. So this workflow will fetch product inventory from Shopify and WooCommerce, will normalize and merge all inventory data, will upsert combine results into a Google Sheet, will detect and alert for mismatches or missing stock entries, will keep your inventory synchronized automatically. So let's start the workflow, guys. First, you have the Shopify node, the get inventory. His purpose is to retrieve product quantity from Shopify. On resource will be the product variant. Operation will be get all. What it does will pull all the stocks level from Shopify. From example, the SKU title, the inventory quantity, the SKU title, for example, hoodie, also the inventory quantity. So after that, you have also the WooCommerce node to get inventory also like on the Shopify. His purpose is to retrieve stock data from the WooCommerce. We'll fetch stock quantities from WooCommerce. From example, SKU name, t-shirt, red, stock quantity 11, for example. Also SKU cap black, stock quantity 10. After that, you'll have a merge node that will combine all the channels. His purpose is to merge Shopify and WooCommerce inventory. On the mode will be to wait for all the inputs and will combine all the inventories into one JSON array for normalization. After that, you'll have the function node to normalize the inventory. Its purpose is to standardize fields from Google Sheets. Let's open the code. What it does, this ensures all the data uses the same naming format. The SKU, as you can see, the product, the quantity, and the source. See, this is the quantity and also the source. After that, we have the Google Sheet node to update the master inventory. Its purpose is to update your master sheet with the merged data. Operation will be create or update. The expected headers will be SKU, the product, the quantity, and the source. This add or update each SKU to reflect real-time inventory. Let's continue with the if node. If the discrepancy found. His purpose is to check for missing or invalid stock. This is the value, JSON quantity less than 0, JSON quantity equal to null. This filter product that have inconsistent stock levels. And if it's true, we'll go to true blanks to alert on the Slack channel. If not, we'll stop the overflow. The Slack node will send, his purpose is to send alert for mismatched stock. Channel will be inventory alerts and the text will be this: inventory discrepancy detected, SKU, product, current, and the source. Please review stock synchronization. This alerts your team immediately if any product had missing or invalid stock. That was all for this tutorial, guys. See you on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.